Hi guys, today I'll be teaching you how to make your avatar talk. That is how to make your image talk. So if you're interested in this video, do not go away. Make sure you watch to the end. You can transform your text into speech using any image at all. So the first thing you need to do is go to your Dreamface. This app we are using is Dreamface. That's the name of the app. You go to Dreamface, click on Dreamface, you wait for it to open. So you're going to see an interface like this. An interface like this is going to show. Then you have to click on Photo, Talking, and Sing. Photo, Talking, and Sing. Now guys, this particular app has different sessions. Okay, it has photo talking, it has video lip sync, it has news video. That is, if you want your avatar to talk as if it's reading news, it has it. If you want AI filter to filter your image, maybe to turn it from something else to something else, maybe from a human image to a cartoon image, you have it there. If you want it to enhance your photo, maybe from ordinary photo to HD, it has it. It has so many tools, so you can just go through it. If you want your pet to sing, it has it. Whatever you want this app to do for you, it has it. But today, what we are going to be doing, we're going to be using the Photo, Talk, and Sing. So let's just get into it. The first thing you need to do is you click on it, click on the Photo, Talk, and Sing. It's going to open like this. An interface like this is going to show. Then you click on Add Script to continue. Yes, you can add script. This avatar side is where you add your image. There is a place here, avatar, they wrote avatar, is where you add your image. Now there's another place, voice. This is where you select the voice you want to use. Can you see different voices? My voice, you can record your voice. This is my own voice, I recorded it. This is my own voice. Listen.
Welcome to Dreamface.
Can you hear that? That's my own.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
That's my own personal voice that I recorded using this app. Then there is another one, a child's voice.
Welcome to Dream Ash. Wishing you have a wonderful day.
Guys, can you see that? So there are children voice here. You can select anyone that suits your video. Then there's another
Hello,
one.
welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Yeah, that's a female voice. Then we have the male voice. So whichever one that suits you, whichever
Welcome
one
to Dreamface.
you want.
Wishing you have a wonderful day.
Good. Now we're just going to use a female voice and we're going to select a voice here.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
This is a female voice and her name is Sarah.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
That is Nina.
Hello, welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
Hello,
That is Lisa.
welcome to Dreamface. We hope you have a wonderful day.
So we're just going to make...
Hello, welcome to Dreamface.
We're
We
just-
hope you have a wonderful day.
Good. We're just going to make use of Nina's voice, okay?
Hello, welcome to
That's what we are going
Dreamface.
to use.
We hope
Nina's voice. Then you click on confirm. Then after that, you go to your avatar, click on your avatar. Now this is where you're going to select the image you want to use. This is where you're going to select the image you want to use. Now I already have an image here. If you want me to teach you how to generate an image for stuff like this, because you need a particular kind of image, maybe like a bold female woman or female or man staring straight to the camera, it has to be one face. You can't use more than one face at a time. It's going to disfigure it. So you're going to click on one of it. So I'm going to use this lady's image. We're going to click on confirm. You're going to bring it in. This is the lady's image I'll be using. If you need the prompt for this image, let me know in the comment section. Now you click on add script to continue. Now this is what we are going to do. Before you add your script, you must have generated your script using ChatGPT. You must have generated your script using ChatGPT. Now I have a script personally that I want to use for this. So we're just going to click on add script to continue. So let's go, guys. And guess what, guys? You can also change the background of this image if you want. You can use AI filter, you can use beauty, whatever you want. Let's see what it has for us. So you can whitening, you can use thin face, you can smoothen it, whatever you want. Guys, this is how to smoothen it. Can you see that? There's a difference. Look at it. Now we're smoothing it. There's a difference. So you confirm, then you can use AI filter, whatever you want with this app. It got you. And the name of the app is Dreamface. So guys, we're just gonna get straight into it. I wanted us to see the AI filter. Anyways, so you can actually do this on your own. Go through it. I don't want to waste your time. Go through it and, you know, choose whatever you want that suits your. Then if you want to change the background, you can as well change the background. Don't forget that you can change the background to whatever kind of background you want your image to have. Now these are backgrounds. Maybe you generated an image that is not having a good background. You can choose one from here. Now it will just change the background for you. So guys, this is how you do it, and you have different types of you know, whatever it is you need it for, you have different type in it. So I'm not changing the background of this one. I don't want to, but it's generating already. So I'll just cancel it and go back. Now we'll just go into adding your script. You click on type. If you want to import script, which is audio script, you can do that. If you want to record directly, you can do that. If you want to search music or any content, you can do that. But in this video, we're just going to type our scripts. Now you get your script from ChatGPT and then copy and you paste it here. Now this is the script I am going to be using as an example to show you how you can convert your images to talk. So guys, you click on confirm, and then you click on animate, and then you just wait for it to animate. You have to be patient. You wait for it to animate, and voila, you have your avatar talking. And this avatar, you can use it to advertise your business.
Introducing World Tales TV. Join us on a journey around the world, where stories come alive. On World Tales TV, we share fascinating tales from every corner of the globe, featuring humans and animals alike. Engaging stories from different cultures and traditions, adventures with animals as main characters, educational and entertaining content for all ages, new videos uploaded regularly. Subscribe now and enjoy.